Hey, do you know how to protect your kidneys? What is the best food for kidneys? How does exercise affect your kidneys? In today's video, we will answer all these questions and many more. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Welcome back to the channel. Let's dive right in. The first thing you can do to take care of your kidneys is to stay hydrated. Drinking a sufficient amount of water helps flush out toxins and waste from your body, supporting your kidneys in their natural filtration process. However, it's important not to overdo it. Not everyone needs to drink 3 liters of water a day. A general rule of thumb is to aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water daily and drink more if you're physically active or it's hot outside. The second tip is to eat a kidney-friendly diet. Eating a balanced diet can significantly impact your kidney health. A diet low in sodium, added sugar, and unhealthy fats can help reduce the strain on your kidneys. Focus on consuming fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources such as fish, beans, and lentils. While eating red meat occasionally is fine, it's essential to avoid processed foods as they often high in salt and preservatives that can make your kidneys work harder. Tip number 3 is to watch your salt intake. Consuming too much salt can raise blood pressure, which is a leading cause of kidney damage. Therefore, it's crucial to monitor your sodium intake and try to keep it under 2,300 milligrams per day. Instead of reaching for salty snacks, season your food with herbs and spices to add flavor without the extra salt. It's a simple change can go a long way in preserving your kidney health. Are you taking care of your kidneys? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Tip number 4 is to get regular health screenings. One of the most significant risks to kidney health is that kidney disease often has no noticeable symptoms until it eases in the later stages. Therefore, it's essential to schedule regular checkups with your doctor, especially if you have diabetes, high blood pressure, or a family history of kidney problems. During these appointments, your doctor may perform simple blood and urine tests to check your kidney function. Getting tested regularly allows for early detection and management of any potential issues, helping to prevent further kidney damage. Tip number 5 is to avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Smoking cigarettes has been proven to decrease blood flow to the kidneys, which can lead to decreased kidney function over time. Additionally, smoking increases the risk of kidney cancer. On the other hand, drinking too much alcohol can lead to dehydration and spikes in blood pressure, both of which can harm your kidneys. Therefore, it's essential to quit smoking and drink alcohol in moderation to protect your kidney health. And that's a wrap on our 5 essential tips for keeping your kidneys healthy. Remember, your kidneys play a vital role in filtering waste and excess fluids from your body. By following these tips, you can help ensure your kidneys stay healthy and continue functioning efficiently. Did you find this video helpful? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and take care of your kidneys. Get your supplement in the link below.